In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload an image and turn it into a video in ElevenLabs using the built-in image to video workflow. This is a really useful feature if you want to bring a still image to life, create a simple animated scene, or quickly generate short video content from a single reference image. If you enjoy tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Now, let's jump in. First, open ElevenLabs and look at the left sidebar. From there, click on Image and Video. This is the section where you'll find the tools for creating visual content. Once you're inside, switch over to Video mode. This tells ElevenLabs that you want to generate a video instead of working with just images. Now, you'll see an upload area labeled Reference Image or Start Frame. This is where your image will go. You can either drag and drop your image directly into the upload box, or click the area to browse your device and select the image you want to use. Choose a clear image with a subject or scene that can animate well, because the quality of the starting image can make a big difference in the final result. After your image is uploaded, the next step is to enter your text prompt. This is where you describe how you want the image to animate or what should happen in the video. Be specific with your instructions. For example, you can describe camera movement, motion in the scene, mood, or any action you want to happen. The more clearly you explain the animation you want, the better the output will usually be. Next, take a moment to adjust the video settings. Depending on the options available, you may be able to refine things like the style, motion, or other generation settings. These controls help you fine-tune the final result so the video matches your creative goal more closely. If you're unsure at first, you can start with the default settings and then test different variations later. Once everything looks good, click Generate. ElevenLabs will process your image and prompt, then create the video based on your instructions. This may take a short moment while the platform builds the animation. When it's finished, review the result carefully to see whether the motion, timing, and style match what you had in mind. If the result isn't perfect the first time, don't worry. You can go back, adjust your prompt, tweak the settings, or try a different image to improve the outcome. A lot of great video results come from small refinements and a bit of experimentation, and that's how you upload an image to create a video in ElevenLabs. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it can save you a lot of time when you want to turn static visuals into dynamic content. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.